forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications about my latest videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the causes of the decline of Harappan civilization. So whenever such question is asked in board exam for 8 marks, so you are expected to write 8 points, right? And in the beginning you should write something as introduction, and in the end you should write little bit conclusion so that you can get 8 marks in your answer. In introduction to this answer, you can describe anything, whatever you know about Harappan civilization. Like you can say, Harappan civilization was one of the most ancient urban civilizations of the world. It was known for its prosperity in trade and commerce. They had their trade relations with far off lands, and it was known for its unique city planning and drainage system and its sense of cleanliness, etc. Causes of the decline of the civilization can be discussed as follows. So first point you can discuss in that is floods. Lambrick and John Marshall are two historians who have supported this point, and evidences have been found that Mohenjo-daro and Chanhu-daro cities have experienced excessive floods, and this can become the reason for the collapse of at least a few cities of Harappan civilization. Second reason, you can give climatic changes. B.K. Thapar is the historian who has supported this point. He says that decrease in rainfall may have led to the expansion of deserts in cities further, and that can become the reason for the collapse of the civilization. Third reason, you can give deforestation. As you know that it was an urban civilization known for its construction of buildings at large scale. So for constructing buildings in such large number, they must have required fuel to bake the bricks, as these buildings have used bricks, not the stone. So for that baking these bricks, they must have cut the forests at large scale, and this must have led to deforestation and ultimately to the decline of their civilization. Fourth point, you can discuss change in the course of the river or drying up of the rivers. As you know that so many cities were near the rivers, so if any river must have changed their course, so it must have led to the decline of that city at least. And we have evidences of drying up of the river Ghaggar and Saraswati. So this reason also can explain that the cities which were located nearby, they must have collapsed because of this reason. Fifth point, you can discuss increase in population, or you can say overuse of the resources. After underlining, you will explain this, that population of these Harappan cities had felt a great rise because of the prosperity, and so for increasing population they must have overused the resources, and this must have become the cause of the decline of this civilization. And sixth point, you can discuss earthquake. Some historians believe that earthquake can be the reason for the decline of this civilization, as evidences have been found that dead bodies were lying in drains or streets in some of the sites at some places. So they have explained it that it must have happened because of the occurrence of earthquake. Next point, seventh, you can discuss about plague. Some historians even are talking about that maybe plague spread in this civilization, and people died in large number, which ultimately led to the collapse of the civilization. Eighth point, you can discuss here decline in trade and commerce. Some historians believe that as this civilization was a totally urban civilization, and this can be one of the reasons that their trade and commerce must have declined due to some reason, and that can become the cause of the decline of entire civilization. Point number 9 also you should keep in your mind. Maybe in exam any of these 8 points you don't remember, so you may require some at least 2-3 extra points should be with you. So here in ninth point, you can say attack from neighboring kingdom also can be the reason for the decline of this civilization. As you know that archaeologists have not excavated many weapons of war from this civilization. It shows that they were peace loving and they lacked the art of war. So if some neighboring kingdom must have attacked them, so this must have led to the collapse of entire civilization. Further, R.E.M. Wheeler has given theory of Aryan invasion, which you can mention as a valid point. But when you discuss this point, never forget to mention the latest update. R.E.M. Wheeler has used Rig Veda and some sentences from Rig Veda. As in Rig Veda it is written that Indra is known as Purandhar, and Purandhar means destroyer of the forts. So he has taken it like Indra came and destroyed these people who were living in this region. And in a funny manner, I have read that sentence in your book. It is written that on basis of circumstantial evidences, here Indra stands accused. But latest update related to this topic is that in a site in Haryana, that is Rakhi Gadi, skeletons have been excavated, and the DNA test of those skeletons have challenged the theory of Aryan invasion, and it is likely to be that at the same place, maybe in one region Harappan people were living, and in another region these Aryan people were living simultaneously at the same time in the subcontinent. Further results are awaited, and but you should mention this. Even some historians mention that atomic war must have taken place, and that's why this highly advanced civilization collapsed, because some one historian has talked about that at certain places rise of temperature has been found, that the temperature rose to very high level, so that can be used for the explanation of this point of atomic war between these kingdoms. So but we cannot say anything for sure about this atomic war, because we haven't got some other evidences related to that. So these are 11 points which you can mention in your answer, and in conclusion also you never forget to mention that that these are the reasons which we can take as the cause of decline of the civilization, but none of these reasons can explain the collapse of such huge region, people living in that region, how flood can become cause of all the decline of all the cities of Harappan civilization, and same about other points as well. So that was the answer. Okay, bye bye, have a good day, hope you have understood it.